Hello, everyone, and welcome you to our English podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mark. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In this episode, we're going to talk about something very practical and very important: how to practice English every day.
That's right. Many learners study English once in a while, but to improve faster, you need small, daily habits. Don't worry. We'll share easy ways you can include English in your daily life.
And remember, these ideas are simple. You don't need a lot of time. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference.
Start your morning in English. Let's start with mornings. A great way to practice English is to begin your day in English.
Yes. For example, when you wake up, you can say to yourself, "Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I feel happy."
Or think about your plan for the day in English. For example, I will go to work at 9. I have a meeting. After work, I will cook dinner.
This trains your brain to use English naturally without waiting for class time.
Use English around you. Another easy habit is to describe the things around you.
Exactly. Look at your room, your office, or even the street outside. Say sentences like, "The window is open," "The sky is blue," "A car is driving fast."
These short sentences are simple, but they help you think directly in English.
Learn with media. Media is also powerful. Listen to English podcasts, watch TV shows, or read a short article every day.
And remember, you don't need to understand every single word. The goal is to enjoy and get familiar with English sounds and expressions.
Right. Even listening to English music while cooking or cleaning helps your brain.
Speak to yourself. Here's another fun one. Talk to yourself in English.
Yes, it may feel a little strange, but it works. You can describe what you are doing. "I'm washing the dishes. I'm making tea. I'm writing a message."
Or you can even practice small conversations like pretending you're at a restaurant. "Hello, I'd like a coffee, please."
The more you practice out loud, the more confident you become.
Writing practice. Writing is also important. Try keeping a small English journal.
Just write 2 or 3 sentences every day. For example, "Today was sunny. I went to the park. I met a friend."
It doesn't need to be perfect. The goal is to use English daily.
Connect with people. Another way to practice is with people. If you have friends who speak English, try to chat with them.
And if you don't worry. You can join online groups, language exchanges, or even practice with AI chat.
The more you speak with real people, the faster you learn to think and respond in English.
Small habits, big results. The secret is small steps. You don't need 2 hours every day. Even 10 minutes can help if you do it regularly.
Yes, and be patient with yourself. Language learning is like exercise. If you practice a little every day, you will see results over time.
Consistency is the key. Small daily habits make a big difference in the long run. Recap.
Let's quickly review the tips. Start your morning in English. Describe things around you. Use media like podcasts, music, or movies. Talk to yourself in English. Write a few sentences daily. Connect with people in English. Practice a little every day.
Exactly. If you follow even 2 or 3 of these steps, you will see progress.
Well, that's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning how to practice English every day.
Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and enjoy the process.
Thank you for listening, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and join us again for more English learning tips.
Until next time, goodbye.
Goodbye, friends.